Hey guys, welcome to MyAirbags. I'm Eli, and right now we are going to be removing the SRS Airbag Control Module on this Toyota Corolla. Now the first thing you always want to do before working on any part of the airbag system, whether it's the airbag module, the seat belts, or the airbags themselves, is to make sure the battery is disconnected from the car. We don't want any power going into the car while we're working on the airbag system. Right here on the passenger side, we have this little panel here. It's on the side of the center console, and there's two clips holding it down here and a little slider tab at the front. So we're gonna pull right over here and then pull towards yourself, and you'll see the two clips and the little slider tab here. And here on the driver's side, right next to the acceleration pedal, we're going to do the same exact process. And right here we can clearly see the module. This metallic box bolts down to the floor here. It has a plug, yellow plug at the front, and it's held down by 3 bolts. The proper procedure to remove this module is make sure the battery is disconnected, wait a few minutes, and then unplug the module harness, and then the 3 bolts holding down the module. We're going to go ahead and move up to the wire harnesses here. There's 3 plug harnesses going into the module. You're going to need to press down on this little clip and simultaneously move this lever. And then simply repeat the same steps on the last 2 plugs. When a car gets into an accident, there's 3 main components that need to be addressed: the airbags, the airbag computer module, and the seatbelts. Any deployed airbags must be replaced with new airbags. You can buy a new airbag module. The problem is that they're pretty expensive brand new, and used modules require hiring a technician to go in and program the module to your car. In other words, you have to marry the new module to your car. Here at MyAirbags.com, we work closely with body shops, collision shops, and salvage rebuilders in all 50 states. Instead of buying a new airbag module, we can actually reset your original airbag module. In other words, we can clear it of all codes, and because it's original to your car, programming is not necessary. Number 3, seatbelts. Seatbelts also deploy and they throw a trouble code. Instead of buying expensive replacements, you can actually send in your deployed seatbelts along with your module. Our seatbelt techs are licensed and they hold an ATF certification. This means that after your seatbelts are refurbished, they will work again as designed. They will deploy in another accident event. If you want to know more, just click on the link in the description below or just go to MyAirbags.com. After removing the airbag module and seat belts, you can send it to MyAirbags.com for reset. Go to MyAirbags.com, select your year, make, and model, then add the repair service to your cart. Print the label in your order, tape it to the box, and drop it off at any delivery location. If you need seat belts or any other SRS parts repaired, you can send them in the same package and order. You won't be charged until after MyAirbags has reset your module and seatbelts. Once we receive your module and seatbelts, our turnaround time is 24 hours. We get them in and out.